Jai Srimannarayana. 6th sloka of 3rd chapter of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Please repeat. Karmendriyani Sanyamya Ya Aste Manasa Smaran Indriyardhan Vimudhatma Mithyacharaha Savuchyate. Om. Do not be a hypocrite. Make sure your actions are reflected by your words and thoughts. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommends that everyone should surrender to him alone. Mamekam saranam vraja. Now let us respond to Sri Krishna Paramatma saying that, "Ho Srimannarayana, I shall not be a hypocrite. Ho Srimannarayana, I shall make sure that all my actions are reflected by my words and thoughts. Ho Srimannarayana, I shall surrender to you alone. Ho Srimannarayana, I shall act according to your word. Karishye Vachanam Tava Sarvam Sri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana." Now let us learn Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpatarorgalitam phalam sukamukhadamrutadrava sanyutam pibata bhagavatam rasamalayam muhuraho rasika bhuvi bhavukaha. Namaskaram to Sri Sukha Yogindra. Yam pravrajantamanupeta krityam Dvaipayano virahakatara ajuhava putreti tanmayataya taravo bhineduhu tam sarvabhuta hridayam munimanatosmi. Namaskaram to Naranarayana, Chaturmukha Brahma, Saraswati Devi, Vyasa Maharshi. Narayanam namaskritya naram chaiva narottamam Devim Saraswatim Vyasam Tato Jayam Vudirayet. In Srimad Bhagavatam 9th Skandham, Suta Mahamuni giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, "O Maharshis, Sri Sukha Yogindra teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Parikshin Narendra, saying that, O Parikshin Narendra, Sagara Maharaju has 2 wives, Kelini Sumati. Sumati has 60,000 sons. They are very strong. So, according to Aurva Maharshi's orders, Sagara Chakravarti started performing Asvamedha Yagam in order to please Paramatma Srimannarayana. So Devendra abducted that Yajna Asvam, that horse in that Yajnam. And according to again Sagara Maharaju's orders, Sumati's sons, 60,000 sons, went on to search for that Yajnasvam. Hayam anveshamanaste samantat nyakhanan mahim. In the process of searching for that horse, they dug the entire earth. And also they went to Kapila Mahamuni's ashramam. There they have seen that horse. So they thought that it is Kapila Mahamuni who abducted that horse. When Kapila Mahamuni was closing eyes and doing his meditation, all these 60,000 people, sons of Sagara Maharaju, immediately started screaming like, let us kill him, and they have taken their weapons and about to attack Kapila Mahamuni. At that time, Unmimesha Tadamunihi, immediately Kapila Mahamuni opened his eyes, from which such a huge amount of effulgence came, and in that fire all these 60,000 sons of Sagara Maharaju were totally burnt. Because of Devendra's power, these 60,000 sons, they lost their intellect and they did that kind of bad thing towards Kapila Mahamuni, and as a consequence they all got burnt in the fire which came out from Kapila Mahamuni's divine eyes. What happens next we will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmadgurubhyo Namaha. Mukundamala. Krishna Rakshatu no Jagatraya Guruhu. Krishnam Namasyamyaham. Krishne Namarashatravo Vinihataha. Krishnaya Tasmai Namaha. Krishnadeva Samuthitam Jagadidam. Krishnasya Dasosmyaham. Krishne Tishtati Visvametadakhilam. He Krishna Samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita, 3rd chapter, 6th sloka. Karmendriyani sanyamya ya aste manasa smaran indriyardhan vimodhatma mithyacharasya vuchyate. Karmendriyani sanyamya yaste manasa smaran indriyardhan vimodhatma mithyacharasya vuchyate. Srimannarayana karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana.